Welcome everyone to our special session aimed at demystifying the world of test automation for manual testers. Today we're thrilled to have Vasyl, a seasoned web automation expert, with us. Together we'll discuss the fears and challenges manual testers often face when transitioning to automation and how they can take their first step with tools like Playwright. Thank you, Vasyl, for joining us.
Hi, Igor. Thank you for having me. So I'm excited to share some insight and help manual testers to feel more confident about starting their automation journey.
Let's start with something light to get the conversation flowing. Vasyl, you're well known for your experience in web automation, but let's go back to your roots. What was your very first step in experiencing test automation like?
And my first experience with automation was actually born out of necessity. I was working on a project where manual regression testing was taking up entire days, and release cycles were getting delayed. And so one day I wrote a simple script to automate the repetitive task. And when I saw how much time it saved, I was completely hooked. It wasn't just about the time saving, but also about consistency, reliability that automation brought to the table.
Many manual testers fear automation because they think they need to be experts in programming to get started with. What would you say for those who are hesitant?
Yeah, that's a common concern. I was there too. But the truth is that you don't need to be a programming expert to actually get started with the automation. The modern tool like Playwright are designed to be user-friendly and accessible. So they have an excellent documentation, and you can start by automating the simple task. The key here is to start small. So perhaps automating a basic test case, or even just exploring how the tool is working. Think of it as learning a new language, right? Start with the basics and build up your skills gradually.
That's a great way to look at it. Automation doesn't mean you'll stop doing what you're doing great at. Manual testing still has a crucial role. Automation is just another tool in your toolkit, isn't it? So, speaking of tools, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into the testing landscape. How do we see AI, particularly tools like ChatGPT, playing a role in the test automation with Playwright? And how does it help accelerate learning for testers, especially for the best testing practices?
Yeah, let's face it, AI is a game changer in the testing world, especially for those new to automation. Tools like ChatGPT can significantly accelerate learning, productivity, like in several different ways. For instance, ChatGPT can help you to generate test cases, suggest code snippets, and even troubleshoot issues in real life. So this reduces learning curve for new automation testers, allowing them to focus on understanding the broader testing strategy rather than getting stuck on the syntax or debugging. So moreover than that, AI doesn't just automate repetitive tasks. It's making it easier to learn, experiment, innovate in all your testing initiatives.
Interesting. So you're saying that what it used to take you months or even years to learn, it was a ChatGPT and other AI tools like Copilot. You can cut this in half. What is your insights on this? Like how faster we can accelerate with, for instance, modern frameworks like Playwright compared to WebDriver.io, right, or the Cypress in combination with AI tools. What is your insights on this?
Yeah, so back in the days where there no AI, literally, and you have to reach for the courses or constantly search through the documentation. It could take like about 6 months or even a year, all right? But right now you have your 24/7 body, which is constantly can help you to learn new stuff, answer all your questions faster than Google, and suggest you on your learning process, right? So it doesn't matter what the framework, the AI is always there for you. Just use it.
Thank you. So you're saying that AI is an accelerator and a body rather than a replacing tool for testers. A lot of testers in today's world are scared of AI. So what are your thoughts on this?
So There's another common concern when we're speaking about the replacement or something. With the AI, first of all, the programmers make the same mistakes, and it's required the human understanding of the application, right? It can help you to automate the repetitive task, right? Debug at some points, but it will never catch the what the human eye can catch. So I would rather not fear the replacement. I would rather get used to AI and use it on daily basis.
That's a great advice. I totally agree with you on that. So for those who are ready to take the first step, we're excited to announce an upcoming workshop with Vasyl titled Quick Start Workshop with a Playwright and ChatGPT. Vasyl, can you give us a sneak peek into what attendees can expect from this session?
Yeah, absolutely. So the workshop is designed to be hands-on and beginner-friendly, actually. We'll start with the basics, set up the framework, we'll write the test scripts and understand how the tool actually works. Of course, we will use the ChatGPT along this. We will reach for help as we are a complete beginner. You might ask why we're using Playwright. Well, we're speaking a lot about the Playwright. So basically, it's a major automation framework for UI, API, and a lot more. So Playwright allows you to test multiple browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and even Microsoft Edge if you need it. It also, Playwright is known for its fast execution and reliability. And of course, for the beginners, it's super easy to learn. The Playwright API is intuitive and easy to pick up.
Amazing. And for those who are listening, we're thrilled to announce that the workshop will be online live next week on August 21st at 9 a.m. PST. It's completely free to attend, and just click on the link below to register. If you cannot attend because you have a busy schedule, we totally understand that. We will record a session for you. Also, we'll send email with instructions, so it's easy to follow, and also the link to our Discord community where you can get help directly from Vasyl. This is a great opportunity to kickstart your automation journey with expert guidance. This has been a fantastic conversation. I hope our listeners feel more encouraged to dip their toes into the world of automation. Before we wrap up, do you have any final words of advice for manual testers who are considering making this transition?
So guys, super straightforward advice. So just start, right? Don't wait for a perfect moment because you might feel there is a lot of you need to know before you begin, right? So treat automation as a journey, and every small step you take is a progress. And remember, automation is there to complement your skills, right? Not to replace them. You bring a lot of value as a manual tester. Automation is another way to enhance this value.
Amazing. Well said. Thank you, Vasyl, for sharing your insights. We're looking forward to the workshop, and we hope to see many of our listeners there, ready to start their automation journey. That's it for today's session. Remember, the journey from manual to automation starts with a single step. We're here to help you along the way. Thank you for joining us, and see you at the workshop.
Thank you. Bye-bye.